Okay. Uh, in the last class, we worked out one question from the remainder theorem. Today, we are going to do the remaining questions from this exercise 2.3. Okay. The next question is, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus half. We know the remainder theorem. State remainder theorem. If px is any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, if we divide px by the linear polynomial x minus a, the remainder is p of a. If px is divided by x minus a, if px is divided by x minus a, the linear polynomial x minus a, we get the remainder as p of a. Here a is the 0 of x minus a. Okay, here the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We divide this polynomial by x minus half. What will be the remainder? The remainder is p of the 0 of this polynomial. 0 of x minus half is x minus half equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 0 of x minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, the remainder is p of 1 by 2. So, px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to find p of half. P of half is the remainder, so we have to find p of half. P of half equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube is 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, clear? We have to divide this polynomial by the linear polynomial x minus half. The remainder is p of half. The 0 of x minus half is 1 by 2. Therefore, we have to find p of half. Therefore, p of half equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. We substitute 1 by 2 in place of x here. Therefore, 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here the LCM is equal to 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here the LCM is 8. 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 equal to 27 by 8. Therefore, the remainder is 27 by 8. The next question is, divide this polynomial by x. What will be the remainder? The 0 of x is x equal to 0. The 0 of 1 by 2 is obtained by 1 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2. The 0 of x equal to x is x equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder is p of x equal to the given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. The remainder will be p of 0. Therefore, p of 0 equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1 equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, the remainder is p1. Okay. The remaining sub questions, third and fourth and fifth questions, you should do as homework. The second question. Come to the second question. Find the remainder when s cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Here also we have to find the remainder. The remainder is, consider this polynomial as p of x. P of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. The given polynomial. We have to divide this polynomial by x minus a. The remainder, the 0 of x minus a is x minus a equal to 0. X minus a equal to 0, therefore x equal to a. Therefore 0 of x minus a is a. Therefore the remainder will be p of a. Once again, we have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. We know that the remainder is p of a. A is the 0 of x minus a. Therefore, the remainder will be p of a. Then p of a equal to, substitute a in place of x, that is a cube minus a into x square, a square plus 6 into a minus a equal to a cube minus a into a square is a cube plus 6a minus a. A cube and a cube get cancelled. 6a minus a equal to 5a. Therefore, the remainder is, here the remainder is 5a. The next question, the third question, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. You know, when we say that 2 is a factor of 8, 2 is a factor of 8, when we say that 2 is a factor of 8, while dividing 8 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. On dividing 8 by 2, the remainder is 0. Therefore, we can say that 2 is a factor of 8. Similarly, we have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. How we can find? We divide 3x cube plus 7x by 7 plus 3x. If the remainder is 0, we can say that 7 plus 3x is a factor. The given polynomial is represented by px, that is px equal to 3x cube plus 7x. This polynomial is divided by 7 plus 3x. How we get the 0 of this polynomial? By putting 0. This polynomial equal to 0. 7 plus 3x equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7 by 3. This is a 0 of this polynomial. So, the remainder is p of minus 7 by 3. Okay. Once again, we have to check 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. How we can check this? Divide this polynomial by 7 plus 3x. If the remainder is 0, we can say that 7 plus 3x is a factor. So, for that we have to find the remainder. In order to find the remainder, first we find the 0 of the divisor. For that, put divisor equal to 0. That is 7 plus 3x equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7 by 3. Therefore, substitute, in order to find the remainder, substitute minus 7 by 3 in dividend. That is given the dividend is 3x cube plus 3x. Let it be px. Then p of minus 7 by 3. Find p of minus 7 by 3. That is substitute minus 7 by 3 in place of x. Therefore, p of minus 7 by 3 equal to 3 into minus 7 by 3 the whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. We get minus 590 by 9, which is not equal to 0. That is the remainder not equal to 0. Hence, we can say that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay. The exercise 2.3 is over. Let us see you on the next class. Thank you.